Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm super excited. I don't get to do a lot of these, so when I do, I'm pumped. This is Cocktails by Spence Club. So this is curated by Spence. Spencer, I forget his last name. He is a top 10 mixologist in the United States, though, so this is like going to be awesome, I think. Each box is $49.99. In here, you'll get everything but the alcohol you need to create 4 cocktails, or 4+ cocktails? 4+. So anyway, I'm excited. I like the box. I'm not showing you. And then it says Cocktails by Spence on the back. I think it's just like super cool, swanky feeling. James Bond. And it says every cocktail has a soulmate. I think it's me. Okay, so you open it up and this is what it looks like. It looks very minimal, pretty, attractive. All right, so welcome to Cocktails. It's a whole letter here. I'm not going to go into that. If you're interested, though, in seeing what I create, because I'm going to make something, check that out below. Also, I will link to Cocktails by Spence so you can check them out. There's a card. Ooh, they're cards. Oh, there's videos. Oh, it's for one of the recipes, and then there's. Here are our cocktails. Ooh, so I need Bacardi. I don't have Bacardi. We're whiskey people. That's okay. I can go to the liquor store. Any reason to. No, I'm just kidding. So our recipe is Sailor's Handshake, which includes 2 ounces of rum, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of mango syrup, and a garnish with a lime wheel. Ooh. All right, so. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh. Ooh, barware. Oh, baby, baby. So we got our mixed shakers, and look at how like nice these are. I have 1 or 2, but they're not like this. This is like real barware. I have a muddler here. That's what this is called, I believe. With this cool spring, this is you use this to like squash everything up. We have a lime for our lime wheel. This is our jigger. Right? Is that what it's called? I hope I'm saying all these words right. But look, this is like the legit one. I don't have any legit barware. This I'm guessing is... Oh, there's a lot of limes in here. Oh, wow. Oh, my girlfriend. You guys remember when my girlfriend and I used to do the Instagram parties where we would make cocktails? Do you guys remember that? She is going to love this. I got to tell her about this box. I can't wait. All right. So this, I'm guessing, is our mango syrup. It's also packaged. I can't wait to see it. Oh, I have never had mango syrup. Ooh, I bet it tastes really good. Okay. Ooh, look how big. This is 4 ounces, so it's 4 servings. All it includes is mango puree, pure cane sugar, and filtered water. Ooh. And then our final item in here, look at this. They thought of it all. They included a citrus squeezer. Well, this is a lemon squeezer, but a citrus squeezer for our lime. How cool is that? I don't have one of these either, which is awesome. I am so pumped. This box is really nice. This is probably one of the best bar boxes I've ever unboxed, and I cannot wait to make this drink. I will link down below to Cocktails by Spence Club. I will also link to my full review. If I can actually write it. No, I'm just kidding. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.